Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by rebooting into Mac OS Recovery using Command+R. This gives you the built-in tools to repair or reinstall. Once in recovery, open Disk Utility immediately and choose View Right Arrow, Show All Devices so you see the physical disk plus volumes. Make sure the target disk is selected. If you have a backup, confirm its availability now. You do this first to prevent accidental data loss and to ensure Disk Utility operates on the correct device rather than a volume or container. You will now use First Aid to repair the drive. Select the physical disk and click First Aid, then repeat for each app's volume. This fixes common directory issues. If First Aid reports errors it cannot fix, erase the disk. Choose Erase, set the format to apps for modern Mac OS or Mac OS Extended for older systems, and select GUID partition map as the scheme. Be careful here. Erasing removes all data, so only proceed when you have a backup or when repair is impossible. Once the disk is repaired or erased, choose Reinstall Mac OS from the Recovery menu and follow the installer prompts. This downloads and installs the appropriate Mac OS. After installation, restore your files from Time Machine or use Migration Assistant to move data back. Make sure to run Software Update to bring the system current. If the installer or network download fails, reboot into Internet Recovery using Option plus Command plus R to fetch an online recovery image. That step often resolves corrupted local recovery issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.